Hello everyone, this is your presenter Abdulaziz Hussam from Al-Wahida School, and today I will show you the Fusion 360 design competition, and the project title is The Wonderful Ruler. So let's get started. Access of presentation. Number 1, definition of the project. Number 2, where did the idea come from? Number 3, the program tool that designing the project. Number 4, uses of the project. The students needs the ruler in his daily study, whether to implement the drawing or management process. During his studies, he may need other source of information and skills, including drawing circles, a map of the Emirates, and the Emirates logo. The wonderful ruler can be defined as a ruler that used for measuring, drawing, and a source of information. Where did the idea come from? The idea of the project is inspired by the abundance of tools and rulers and need for other materials and skills to help in learning and finding an all-in-one idea. The program tool. Fusion 360 is a cloud-based tool for 3D design, sharing capabilities and tooling in one package and print usable 3D product. Using the program, a shape was designed that integrates several tools to realize the idea of all-in-one. And this is the video of the project on the program. Project users. Number 1, use the ruler to draw lines and corners. Number 2, circles are used in different size. Number 3, map of the Deaf Emirates map. Number 4, it's used to draw different symbols and shapes. Economically, the idea of the project is suitable as a commercial project that can be used and marketed in schools. Thank you for your listening.